one movement we're going to do here with the double hand. Because, of course, you can learn those stuff anywhere in the world. They are teaching those in cha-cha, in salsa, but for this especially, merengue, who is the little bachata, is the little sister of merengue. The rhythm is a mix of Konpa, cha-cha, merengue. They cannot call it Konpa, they cannot call it cha-cha, they cannot call it merengue. They call the change the name to bachata because it's a mixed rhythm of those dances you can do. So, Konpa is the rhythm of harp. Now you come in here, I'm going to give you a combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called the walk in. You sum here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bars it takes me to create this movement? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I raise the hand on 2, 3, 4, she will be here. 5, my hand will push on 6, 7, 8. It's like I thought they walk in and walk out. So you walk her in, and then you send her out, and you come to the close facing position. Can you see that, girl? Yes. Let me try it again for you. And the lady is, she has to know when to come also, so I prepare her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the footwork is back step, walk step, back step, walk step, back step, forward, close, and then a little something like this. And I want you to see something about close position. How the tango develop is here. So I lead the lady with my hips, but it's designed for marriage couple. Because there's a lot of something, psychological thing that happened here that can end up in trouble sometime. This is what they call belly to belly. Let me teach you this part. Every language has a way to design the letters. Dance as a language has a way to design the footwork. In architecture, we say blueprint. In dancing, we say footprint. So, you start with this. Back step, forward step. I don't go back step and forward. It's the back in place, close step. And you go back step, half turn. And then back step, half turn, back step. One more time. Back, walk, forward, walk, back, turn, stand, back, turn, forward, back, step, step. And I'm stepping on the beats of the music. And you see the amount of turn from here is a half turn. Another half. And then I'm wasting. Go somewhere else. Get it right. So we go. One back, forward walk, back, turn, back step, turn, step, back step, position. And then we can go to this and combine this with. Okay? Ready? You like it? Double hand. Okay? Let's try with what music first? That's what you do when you're on Haitian time. 5, 6. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is beautiful? Double handle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2. Music by slow. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Beautiful. One thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Only step 1. 1. Ready? 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Very welcome. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. What then? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 6, 7, 8. What then? Ready? Ready? 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Wait, let's step up. Back leg. Back step. Back step. Back step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Five, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 1, 7. So fast. Five. What's that? What's that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Okay, let's have and to Haiti, by the way. Now we're going to give you a little example of how we can combine series together. And I can share the leader. And I can do the tempo. That's what I have for you today.